In Bangladesh, a massive surge in cases of lead poisoning among children in some areas has emerged as a big health concern. The country is ranked 4th globally in the number of children affected by lead pollution, with nearly 35 million of them said to have high blood lead levels. A huge unauthorized lead battery sector means a cleanup is long overdue and is not going to be an easy feat. Here's a report.
12-year-old Junaid Akhtar's growth remains stunted. Toxic lead courses through his veins. Junaid is one of 35 million children in Bangladesh, around 60% of the total number, who've been exposed to dangerously high levels of toxic lead.
Isn't it a damage for us as my son got diagnosed with lead poisoning? Now I need to know how he will get better soon. That's what I want now. All the children are doing well, but my son is facing this just because he went there. If he didn't go there, he wouldn't have this problem now.
The factory in the Akhtar family's village closed after repeated complaints from the community. But environmental watchdog Pure Earth believes some 265 such factories around the country are still active. The health consequences are nightmarish and possibly for life. Lead exposure causes irreversible damage to children's brains, affects cognitive development, memory and concentration, and that's besides mental development delays. Among adults, cardiovascular diseases and stroke have seen a jump. In the bigger picture, there's been a fallout on Bangladesh's economy too, from lost productivity and reduced economic output, according to a study published by Pure Earth.
When there is a cut in a hand, it is visible. But lead pollution is not directly visible, and the people also don't realize easily that they are affected by lead pollution. Now they are realizing that lead pollution is causing them harm.
Lead poisoning is not a new thing in Bangladesh. Informal battery recycling is a booming business. Besides increased use in batteries on e-vehicles, it is used in paint and even spice powder. Recycling is often carried out without the required safety norms. Restrictions and checks imposed are openly flouted for the profits.
There is no accountability of that sector to use high quality batteries. So they are using low quality 8 to 10 months longevity batteries. They are recycling it frequently and causing more pollution, lead pollution, because like 80% of these factories are running informally. So this is the major reason of lead pollution in our country.
Corrections will need big systemic overhauls. Strict regulation and enforcement will need to ensure that lead-acid battery recycling operations comply with safety standards. Promoting lead-free alternatives will be critical, alongside public awareness campaigns, cleaning of contaminated sites, and implementation of comprehensive health screening and monitoring programs. UNICEF warns that the public health impact of lead batteries is forecast to be a 6.9% dent to the national economy, and inaction could mean a 3- to 4-fold rise in the number of cases. It's a fight against time, and the stakes are huge.